let's go down to our app right here. It's called Circadian Navigator. Like I said, I want to change the name of that. So in order to do that, we can click on Dashboard. And from here, I can click on the pencil icon. And let's call this Santrel Sleep. Santrel Sleep. I'll say OK. And we can change the little tagline of this as well. So this is the app description. Actually, whatever, I'll leave it as it is right now. We can change the logo. And walking down all the other things we can do in the dashboard, like I said, you can add users here as well, as you can see up on the top. We've got data, not really a whole lot we're going to do with that. Analytics in the future, you can see, who's visiting or how, how much traffic you're getting. Social content, I pretty much never use this, but it's new. It's probably going to be changing a bunch, honestly, even by the time you watch this. But domains, we need a domain for this. So we can buy a domain. So timesyncpilot.com. No, you can connect an existing domain and you might save a couple dollars doing this. So if you go to namecheap.com, you could also go to like GoDaddy, or so many other places you can get it. Namecheap kind of aggregates some of the best prices out there. And let's say it's going to be santrelsleep.com. We can search for it. It's almost definitely going to be available, probably like $12 a year. Okay, $11.28 per year is what they're saying we have right there. And you can get that. You can add it to your cart. And then in Base44, you can connect an existing domain, and it walks you through. You copy and paste a couple things and you're set up. You could also buy it directly from Base44. And if you get the 12-month business plan like I have, then you're going to have a free domain for the first year.